What if someone tampers with my ignition interlock device? What happens if someone tampers with your ignition interlock device? This is a serious issue that can lead to significant legal and personal consequences. Ignition interlock devices are installed in vehicles to prevent individuals from driving under the influence of alcohol. When someone tries to disable, bypass, or manipulate this device, it undermines its purpose and can lead to severe repercussions. Tampering can take many forms. For example, cutting wires, removing the device, or having someone else blow into it are common actions. Driving a vehicle without the ignition interlock device when it is legally required also counts as tampering. Each of these actions can lead to criminal charges, which vary by state. Legal penalties for tampering can be quite severe. Depending on where you live, it can be classified as a misdemeanor or a felony. In some states, tampering can result in jail time of up to 5 years or at least 6 months in a correctional facility. This is a serious risk for anyone who thinks about tampering with their device. Fines are another consequence. If convicted of tampering, you could face hefty fines that may reach thousands of dollars. Additionally, there are often fees associated with removing or replacing the ignition interlock device. These costs can add up quickly, making tampering a financially unwise choice. License suspension or revocation is another potential outcome. Tampering typically leads to an extension of driving restrictions. This means your driver's license could be suspended or revoked for a period equal to or longer than your original suspension. This can significantly impact your ability to drive legally. Moreover, if you tamper with your ignition interlock device, it can affect your participation in the program. The program may be reset or extended, requiring you to keep the device installed and monitored for a longer time. Any violation, including tampering, is reported to the Department of Motor Vehicles, which can terminate your driving privileges immediately. Insurance costs can also rise after a tampering conviction. Insurance companies often view this as an increased risk, leading to higher premiums. This can add another layer of financial strain. From a treatment perspective, ignition interlock devices play a vital role in promoting sobriety and preventing impaired driving. Tampering with the device not only jeopardizes your recovery but also poses a risk to public safety. It allows individuals who may be under the influence to drive, which can have dangerous consequences. If your ignition interlock device malfunctions due to normal wear and tear, it is essential to address this issue promptly with your service provider. This can help avoid false accusations of tampering. If you face allegations of tampering, seeking legal advice is a wise step to protect your rights. In summary, tampering with an ignition interlock device carries serious legal and personal consequences. It is vital to maintain the device properly and comply with all program requirements to ensure your safety and the safety of others on the road.